Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to hard reset, how to factory reset any iPhone locked with passcode. As you can see right now, this iPhone locked with passcode, and in this video I will show you how you can easily hard reset without computer, without Apple ID password, and without passcode. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to enter your passcode to try to open this iPhone. You can see right now it's not working and iPhone still locked. So how to hard reset this kind of iPhone without computer and without any Apple ID password? So tap on emergency. Okay, as you can see right now. Okay, now here you watch video with careful and dial the same number. Okay, you can see star hash 0909 hash star 0000 hash, and then you need to again tap star 7459 hash, and then again press star 0000 hash. Okay, and right now you need to press and hold the dial button. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. Wait for a few seconds, and after that you can easily hard reset this iPhone without computer and without Apple ID password. You can see right now it's hard reset, and as you can see it's hard reset right now, and I will guide you in next step that you can easily erase this iPhone, hard reset iPhone without any Apple ID. It will take some time. Okay, I will guide you next. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Right now, guys, you can see right now it's loading, it's setting. Okay, you can see right now it's going to stick on iPhone lock to the owner. So just swipe up. After that, you need to tap on language, select your country. Okay, right now, select on country, tap on continued. Okay, and Wi-Fi passcode. Okay, wait for a few seconds to complete that procedure. It will take some time. As you can see right now showing here, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, you can see tap on continued, tap on adult, setup letter. Okay, passcode, don't use passcode. Okay, don't transfer. Okay, set up Apple ID, don't use right now. Tap on agree, tap on continue, not now, set up later. Tap on OK, and tap on setup later. Okay, tap on continued, don't share, continued, continued. Okay, go back, set up later. Okay, you can see get started, and your iPhone has been hard reset without Apple ID, passcode, and without computer. After watching this video, I know you will all know how to do that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.